Ethereum value equivalent to 44,758 rands a coin. The present cost range: 44,026, 45,666. The earlier day close: 44,380. The change was plus 378, plus 0.85%. Reverse rate: ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 75,111 rands. Excessive cost 81,755, while low cost 71,059. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 76,083. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 76,407, change for April 1.7%. Ethereum gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at 76,407 rands. Excessive cost 76,802, while low cost 66,754. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 72,935. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 71,778, change for May 6.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 71,778 rands. Excessive cost 71,778, while low cost 60,872. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 67,471. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 65,454, change for June 8.8%. Ethereum figure for July 2024. Initially cost at 65,454 rands. Excessive cost 68,762, while low cost 59,766. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 64,562. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 64,264, change for July 1.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 64,264 rands. Exorbitant cost 74,298, while low cost 64,264. The found the middle value of cost 68,066. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 69,437, change for August 8.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 69,437 rands. Exorbitant cost 78,425, while low cost 68,163. The found the middle value of cost 72,330. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 73,294, change for September 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 73,294 rands. Exorbitant cost 86,508, while low cost 73,294. The found the middle value of cost 78,486. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 80,849, change for October 10.3%. Ethereum estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 80,849 rands. Exorbitant cost 92,169, while low cost 80,109. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 84,817. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 86,139, change for November 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 86,139 rands. Excessive cost 106,915, while low cost 86,139. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 94,779. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 99,921, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 99,921 rands. Excessive cost 99,921, while low cost 84,983. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 94,051. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 91,380, change for January 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at 91,380 rands. Excessive cost 99,341, while low cost 86,343. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 92,477. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 92,842, change for February 1.6%. Ethereum conjecture for walk 2025. At the outset cost at 92,842 rands. Excessive cost 115,236, while low cost 92,842. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 102,154. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 107,697, change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at 107,697 rands. Excessive cost 107,697, while low cost 90,882. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 101,000. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 97,723, change for April 9.3%. Ethereum conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at 97,723 rands. Excessive cost 99,720, while low cost 86,672. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 94,328. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 93,196, change for May 4.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at 93,196 rands. Exorbitant cost 115,674, while low cost 93,196. Found the middle value of cost 102,543. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 108,107, change for June 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at 108,107 rands. Exorbitant cost 117,526, while low cost 102,148. Found the middle value of cost 109,405. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 109,837, change for July 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. To start with cost at 109,837 rands. Exorbitant cost 119,406, while low cost 103,782. Found the middle value of cost 111,155. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 111,594, change for August 1.6%. Ethereum estimate for September 2025. To start with cost at 111,594 rands. Exorbitant cost 111,594, while low cost 93,321. Found the middle value of cost 104,214. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 100,345, change